Today is part 2 of our course on HTML. Today we will learn how to use editors. So a good editor for HTML will allow you to do formatting whatever you want, and it should be simple, especially since we are learning, and it will be good if we can use a very simple editor. So for this purpose, the Notepad is the best option for us. So let us see how Notepad can be used to create HTML pages. So let me create a new text document, and let me call it first HTML. Okay. Now let us open it, and we will write some HTML code here. So the best thing I can do is just I will copy and paste uh, what we saw one example yesterday. So let me copy and paste. When I copy from a PowerPoint presentation, uh, I will have some problems. Generally, what happens is uh, the PowerPoint presentation has its own formatting, and it is done through some special characters. So when I copy some content from a PowerPoint slide, then those special characters also get copied and pasted on the notepad. So what you can do is you can delete the special characters. Just let me format it further. Body. Okay. So here what we are doing is we are declaring the document type for our web page. So of course it is HTML. Then the web page starts from this HTML tag. It declares that the page is starting, and then you create the head part of the web page. So using this head tag, and you can put a title for your web page, say page title. This page title will appear on the top bar of the browser, and then we are declaring closing the head, and then we are starting the body part. And so body part will contain all the content which you want to put on your web page. So here what we are doing is we are putting a header with big font, and then one more header with a smaller font, and then we are putting a paragraph. Okay, and we are closing the body with this brackets, then slash body, and finally we are ending the web page with brackets slash html. Okay, so let us save it. And one thing I want to tell you currently is that you can see there is a file extension. For here it is text. It needs to be changed to HTML. So in many Windows operating system, by default the file extension is not shown. So if that is the case with you, so let me show you how to do that so that you will be able to work. Otherwise, if the file extension is not visible, then you will not be able to work. So let us go folder option. Okay, this folder option, and here in the view tab, and you will see if the extension file extension is not visible, then this will be selected. So deselect it. Okay, a hide extension for known file types. You just deselect it. Okay, and then apply. Okay. So after you do that, you will see the file extension. Okay. So now what we will do is, instead of txt, the file extension should be HTML. So just you delete txt and write HTML in that place. Okay, and then just enter. It will ask, the operating system will ask you that changing the file extension may result in the file not working. So you want to change it, so click yes. Okay, so now you have this web page, right? And you can open it in any of your favorite browsers. So like I have many browsers. So I have Firefox, Internet Explorer, and some other. So let me open it in, say, Firefox. Okay. Okay. So here is the page which we created. So what we created in the page was that the page title you see in the top bar, uh, page title, you can see the code here. Let me open the text file. Oh, I can edit, or maybe just let us see the code here. Okay. So what we declared was, we declared a title, and it was page title, right? Page title. So this page title you can see here on the, can you see that page title? And then we declared big font sample here in the body part. Okay, big font sample, and this is visible here with big font, right? And then a smaller font sample. So we declared this here in H2, right? Smaller font, and then a paragraph. This is a paragraph, right? So this you can see in the browser. This is a paragraph. This is all we declared, right? And it is visible. So this is how you can create a HTML page for you, and you can create very big. This is just a sample. You can create a very large web page using a Notepad, and creating the content, creating inside the HTML tags. So this is how to use any editor to create HTML pages. In the next sessions, we will see more about the attributes and tags or elements of HTML. So thanks for your time, and bye for now.